Alright, so it's a new year. This is a new project. This fits a 40-inch TV to a 75-inch TV. This is going to be a wall mount. And that's the 40-inch TV right there that I have. This is the idea or the grand master plan right here. Right there where the stockings are. My daughter is going to be, I'm going to mount this TV right there, right next to the fireplace. There's going to be one TV. It's going to be the other TV right here. And that's the TV that I use right there. It's a little lower there because the light switches are right there. And I just have some stuff here so I can put controllers and stuff like that. What can I say? I work really fast. I unboxed everything. I'm going to get some additional tools, and I'm going to definitely take out the stockings right there. It's about time that I took them off anyways. And I'm going to pre-drill the holes. I'm going to make sure I find the studs first. Then I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have a nice placement for the studs in order for me to place this on there. That's the main thing you want to do. You want to find two studs. Usually it comes with instructions like this paper that I'm mounting up, and then once I have that, this comes with a little it's almost directions. This is actually pretty cool, but for 170 something bucks they should do something like this if you ever do buy one of those stands. I already know exactly where my studs are. It's gonna be here and here, and so this is a pretty cool cutout that kind of aligns. It aligns with these holes here, and these holes just make sure that it's on there. What I mean by that, the holes on this, which is the main part that's gonna hang up here, should be able to put one there and one over here. The middle bubble here, I would concentrate on that. And if I want it right here, look at the middle bubble. See how it moves back and forth? I want that middle bubble fall right in the middle. Now that I have it right in the middle, I'm gonna draw a line with my pencil from right to left. The bottom here is a straight edge. So from here to here, go straight down. It should be right there. My stud should be right at that cross point. I'm gonna drill in there. Same thing for this one, coming up and down on there. My stud should be right there. And one good one on the stud right there. And it falls in that hole there, and it'll fall in this hole. Once I have these two, the bottom ones will automatically let me know where they're at. First thing is I gotta drill my two holes here and put in my screws. Alright, so the paper calls these lag screws. So you have these, you have for masonry bits, and you have for actual carpentry, like wood bits. So by swinging this, they're like having levers here on one point. Easy maneuver this. Insert the other screw to the other side. Here, go ahead and do that. So both of these are on now. I got the top one here and here, so there's two there. And then directly across from that, coming down, I'll pre-drill a hole right here, pre-drill a hole right there. The hardest part, I think, was actually finding the actual studs. Now that I have the studs right there, all I'm doing is like getting the two ones in the bottom. I'll tighten up both of the ones in the bottom. First I'll pre-drill, then insert the actual 10 millimeters, and then go ahead and tighten them up. I use the 3/8 drive on a 10 millimeter because I like to actually feel when they button up. If you actually use the 1/4 drive, you're just gonna send it. There was two rails that actually go on the back of the TV. They go in with two little Phillips. That's the bottom rail, two Phillips there. Don't forget to put the washers, spacers, or anything that'll make that sit perfectly and flush with the other metal piece. This metal piece here is just gonna sit on the other bracket that extends. It is held on by 4 additional Phillips. Once this bracket is in like that and you got it on mounted on the TV, this will extend side to side. And additional, you can pull the TV forward and insert it back in, and all it is going to sit on that, Gravity's gonna lock it in place. There's a small tab that is pulled, and once you pull that tab, you're able to put the TV on. Very easy. So the tools that I used for this job was obviously this level here. Any level will do it, as long as you have one bubble in there to kind of give you a straight line. Need a drill bit to preset that. I do have 1/4 inch drive, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch drive that I can put in there to give this an actual drive to drive in the 10 millimeter. But any 10 millimeter, 3/8, 1/4 inch, or 1/2 inch that you have in there will do that job. I didn't use this one much because I like to feel the 10 millimeter when I'm ratcheting it in there. Any Phillips screwdriver, I did use this a lot, but I also had a couple other Phillips screwdrivers in there. So with this, to be able to mount on any TV,